Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Study Wing. So in the last video, I discussed about how to create your account on the freelancing website Truelancer. And today in this video, I am going to share about another website that is FIVERR. How to create your account on FIVERR. For this, in the Google search bar, you have to search for FIVERR website, FIVERR, and then click on the first link you will get on this interface. This is the home page for the FIVERR. Here you have to click on the right top corner option that is join. When you will click on the join, this will come for you. Here you have many options to join FIVERR. You can join with Facebook, with Google or with Apple, or you can manually enter your email and connect with. You can choose any one option. I am going to choose continue with Google. When you will choose or enter your mail, it will show you the option to choose your username that will show to the other persons on FIVERR. You can type here your name. I will suggest to type here your actual name, and if you don't want to use your real name, I will suggest that you can type here the name with the service you will provide on FIVERR. Like if you are going to do the web development work, so you can type here web developer. So now you have created your account and you will see on the top that is written your account has been created. And now this will be the interface of FIVERR website. Now you have to set your profile so that the other people can view your profile and select you as a freelancer. First of all, I will show you what are the options available at the home page. Here are many skills that you should know and work on FIVERR, like graphic and design, in which there are many options you can go for: digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, data, business, lifestyles. These all are the options which you can go for with freelancing. Okay, so now on the logo of your name, in the right corner, you will see the name logo of yours. You have to click on it and then come off the option become a seller. Here I will explain you how it works. That is how the FIVERR website works. The first option here is create a gig. What is it? Gig means a small description of the service you provide. Like if you are going to do the digital marketing work, then you have to type here that you are going to provide digital marketing services and how experienced you are in it and how will you provide the service, how much time you will require to complete a task or to complete a project, and what will be your pay scale. After this, when people will search for the digital marketing person, they will view your gig when you will be visible to them in search engine. If they like your gig, they will give you the project. So gig is the first important part of your project heading. If the owner of the project likes your gig, it delivers you the project. Then you have to perform the task, and after completing the task you will be paid. Now the question is how to set your gig. For this, again click on the logo of your name and click on the profile. This interface will come up to you, and here you will see an option create a new gig. On clicking it, you can create a new gig for the services you are going to provide. Now you have to set your profile also. For this, the first option is your profile picture. Here you have to update your profile. Then scrolling down, you will get more options to update your profile. The first one is description. In the description, you can add about yourself, that who you are, from where you are, and what work are you going to do. Next option is languages, where you can add the languages you know and in which you can work. The next option is linked account. In linked account, you can add your Facebook, Google, Twitter and many more accounts on other social medias. ये आपको क्यों ऐड करना पड़ता है? इससे फाइवर विल हैव अ कंप्लीट ट्रस्ट अपॉन यू. इससे फाइवर को पता चलेगा कि आप एक रियल पर्सन हैं, क्योंकि आपके अकाउंट्स बाकी दूसरे प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे भी हैं. सो यू आर अ रियल पर्सन. Then the next option is skills. Here you have to add your skills. Then comes education, and the last option is certification. Here you can upload all the certificates you have in any particular skill. So in this way you can create your profile on Fiverr. So this is all how you can create your Fiverr account and gig. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.